Hi guys, very good morning. Welcome to my blog channel. Well, today I got up as usual around 7 o'clock. After that, I got fresh and I had to buy some fruit, so I came to market. I have bought fruits. After buying, I came across a shop where bedmi puri was being sold. I thought I must go for it. I got tempted seeing the bedmi puri, so I'm having my breakfast here outside, and I will get one plate packed too for Akshat and Kushbu. So I'm going to show you the bedmi puri breakfast, guys. See, guys, so this is called bedmi puri, as you can see, and with this bedmi puri, I have been given this vegetable. This is potato vegetable, and one more vegetable. This is pumpkin vegetable, and this pickle, green chili pickle. So this is bedmi puri. So after this, I will get one plate packed. Khushbu doesn't know that I am having breakfast here, and she doesn't know that I am going to get a plate for her. So see you guys at home. Thank you. भैया एक प्लेट पैक कर दीजिए बेडमी पूरी. गुलाब जामुन 2 पीस कितने के हैं? 30. 2 पीस गुलाब जामुन भी कर दे. ओके, तो ये हो गया और एक प्लेट मैंने खाया है, तो वो और ये कैलकुलेट कर लीजिए कितने हो गए.
110 2 प्लेट बिरयानी,
ओके
प्लेट जामुन.
ओके 110. Akshat, what are you doing?
I'm playing with my pop.
Playing. You know what I have brought for you?
What?
Come, I'll show you.
Okay.
Think what it would be. Think.
Pastry?
No, it's not pastry. Come. Come. Call your mama.
Yes.
See, I have brought something. Just open it and check.
Something what?
Just see what it is.
Something oily?
It seems oily, but it's not.
It is bedmi puri, I think.
Yeah, you know it.
Yeah, and vegetable and gulab jamun too.
Gulab jamun too. Gulab jamun for Akshat. Akshat, come. Gulab jamun for you.
But you should have told me earlier, na? I have done all the preparation for breakfast.
It was, see, yeah, I know it's my fault. Actually, it was a kind of surprise. I thought I must give you a surprise. Breakfast surprise.
And you are on dieting, so you should avoid this thing.
Yes, I am on dieting, but when I was buying some fruits, all of a sudden I saw that bedmi puri. I just got attracted towards it. I thought I must buy it.
So bedmi puri just called you and said that Chandan, you have to eat me anyhow. So you
Yes.
couldn't say no.
Actually, see, okay, let me show myself as well. Yeah, so Akshat, come. Gulab jamun for you. The thing is that, like, she's angry. She's saying that, why did you bring it? You should have informed me. She's right. I should have informed her. But see, there was no planning. Okay, I went to buy some fruits. Seeing that bedmi puri, I stopped myself and I ordered for a plate. While I was having that bedmi puri, I thought I must get it packed for you as well. So it was a kind of surprise. So, and what preparation have you done for the breakfast?
Paneer paratha.
Paneer paratha. Akshat, you want paneer paratha? Okay. First eat bedmi puri, then we will enjoy paneer paratha in the afternoon. Okay. And your gulab jamun. Fine. And after that we will make that English video. Okay. You already know about passive. Now we will talk about. No, you already know about tenses. Though you don't know the name, but you know how to make sentences. You are already speaking English. So we'll talk about narration, direct, indirect. Okay. You remember that? My mother said, I will give you money. You know how to convert? No. My mother said that she would give me money. I'll teach you this today. So let's enjoy the breakfast. So we are going to enjoy this bedmi puri. I'm not going to eat, though I have already had.
You have to share because I can't eat this much and I'm also on diet, so I can't take this much calorie.
So Akshat is going to help you out. Yeah, Akshat? You have to eat, okay?
I'm on diet too.
You're on diet too? You're on diet too? Okay. Eat. See, gulab jamun for you. I literally I can't eat because I have had the whole plate of bedmi puri.
Share little bit, na?
Okay. I'm not going to take it.
No, Mama.
Hmm.
Of course, you can't take this much calorie.
Yes. No, there if I wanted, I could have gone for gulab jamun too, but I knew that I don't have to go. Okay, I'm just going to try it.
Is it tasty, Akshay?
So guys, the thing is that so many viewers of mine said that your wife doesn't speak in any video. So today we are just going to have a conversation. Okay,
It's too spicy.
too spicy. So in the morning when I told you that I was going for buy fruits and all, so had you thought that I would come with any kind of?
No, I didn't think.
You didn't think? So
I thought you were on diet, and you know I am also on diet. So why will you bring this puri and all?
yes. And see, for a long time, it's been I think 2 weeks I have been taking that salad and very less calorie. And so today, just seeing it, I got tempted. I thought, okay, let's have a cheat meal today. So this is a kind of cheat meal.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So what about lunch and dinner?
Tell me, what would you like to have?
Since the breakfast is so heavy, as we can see, like I have already had and you are having right now. So in the afternoon, as you are saying that we should go for paneer paratha, so I would go for only one. What do you think?
I can keep it in the fridge. I can make it tomorrow. If you want, I can make dalia or khichdi something in the lunch.
Okay. The khichdi, okay. Or we can go with poha. There will be, I mean, it's too much carb.
No, not too much carb, but it's like after some time again you will feel hungry.
Okay. What about?
Poha is quite light. It's like breakfast material or snacks kind of thing.
What about oats?
Oats is also same thing.
I mean, like in the afternoon there should be something else.
You should eat any grains, like solid grain.
It could be okay, one chapati, vegetable, something with some salad, and at night that stir fry salad or something like.
At night you can eat papaya.
Yes,
or-
papaya is there. I have brought papaya.
And steamed vegetables
Steamed.
as a salad, broccoli and all.
Yeah, that would be good. Fine, fair enough. Okay, Akshay, do you want to say something? Akshay, are you excited to learn narration, direct indirect? Okay, so maybe today or maybe tomorrow we can learn direct indirect, and I will upload that video as well. He has learned passive. Now I have to teach him direct indirect. Have you forgotten passive? My mother cooked food.
Did you say mother cooked?
Cooked, yeah. My mother cooked food. Change into passive?
Food was cooked by my mother.
Yes.
Kindly stay away from this kind of high calorie food.
Okay.
Otherwise, it's very tough to lose calorie, you know.
Okay.
To burn calories, very tough.
Yeah, I can understand. I can see my flabby cheeks. I have to reduce the fat from cheeks. And some people want fat on their cheeks. I want less fat on my cheeks. Anyways.
Eating calorie is like quite enjoyable, or
Hmm.
you enjoy eating calorie, but you feel pain burning calorie.
Yeah, definitely it happens. It's very tough to lose fat. Really very, very tough. You have to work on your diet, means curb all the carb and all, means so much focus on diet as well as your physical exercise. So it is very tough game, I would say. Yeah. Okay, Akshat. So guys, actually, as you know that my fridge is also not working, so I have called a person who is going to fix the fridge. So this guy is checking. There is some cooling issue in the fridge. I don't know what the problem is. इसमें दिख रहा है. So guys, now the fridge is being repaired, and let's see what the problem is. He's saying that gas is there, still cooling issue is there. Sometimes it gives cooling, sometimes it doesn't give cooling. So whatever the issue is there, the mechanic has come, he's going to fix it. So see you guys, see you in another episode. Till then, take care and have fun. Thank you guys.